We shall now switch over to the heading Methods of Integration. In these methods, we shall start with the very simple and the basic method. If you please observe this sentence. If integral of f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c, then integral of ax plus b dx is equal to f of ax plus b by. Let us understand this concept carefully. Suppose a particular integral is known to us. In the place of x, if a linear function, that is a first degree polynomial ax plus b is given, use the same integral with ax plus b in the place of x divided by a. Of course, actually speaking, this is a part and parcel of integration by the method of substitution. Before going to that itself, we can have this directly as. Let us try to understand this concept. We know that integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Suppose you are asked to have 2x plus 3 whole cube dx. You consider this to be some x in your mind. This looks like x cube. What is the integral of x cube? X power 4 by 4. But in the place of x we have 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 by 4. X power 4 by 4 by the derivative of 2x plus 3. 2. The derivative of ax plus b. A plus c. Altogether this is 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 4 by 8 plus c. So, in this heading, this is the very first observation or very first concept that must be kept in our mind. Of course, this is useful when and only when this is a first degree. That's all. What I mean to say is, if at all x square plus 1 whole cube is given to you, I suppose this to be some x cube, it is in the form of x cube, so x power 4 by 4, that is x square plus 1 whole to the power of 4 by 4, like that you should not write. This is not applicable. Why? Because x square plus 1 is of not first degree, isn't it? Well, okay, what is integral of x plus 1 whole to the power of 5 dx? Is of first degree. This looks like x power 5. Its integral is x power 6 by 6. That is x plus 1 whole to the power of 6 by 6 by derivative of this is 1. Leave it. Plus c. Integral of 1 minus 3x whole to the power of 8 dx. Come on. What is it? It is of first degree. X power 8. It is in the shape of x power 8. So that its integral is x power 9 by 9 by derivative of this is minus 3 plus c. So the total integral is 1 minus 3x whole power 9 by minus 27 plus c. Integral of 1 by 3 plus 4x. Come on. Is this a first degree? Surely 1 by x, the shape of 1 by x it could take. Integral of 1 by x is log mod x. So it is log mod 3 plus 4x. Log mod 3 plus 4x by its derivative is 4 plus c, like that. Yes, similarly, integral of e power 5x plus 1. Come on friends, what is the answer? You consider this 5x plus 1 to be some 5. E power 5, e power x, derivative is, sorry, integral is e power x. That is e power 5x plus 1 by 5 plus c. Just like that. Integral of 1 by 4x is 1 plus 4x square. How can you get it? This is integral of 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square. 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the answer? Tan inverse x. Hence, this is tan inverse 2x by derivative is 2 plus c. Integral of sine 3x. For sine 3x it is minus cos 3x by 3. Integral of cos 2x, sine 2x by 2. Integral of tan 3x, log mod secant 3x by 3. Like that you can apply. Like that you can apply. Okay, what is the integral of secant square x by 2? Is it of first degree? Of course, secant square x by 2. You consider that x by 2 as x in your mind. Integral of secant square x is tan x, that is tan x by 2. Tan of x by 2 by its derivative is half. Hence the answer is 2 tan x by 2 plus c as usual. Likewise, you can apply this formula, this beautiful formula, the very first model. Integral of 1 by root of 2x plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 5. What is the answer? You observe this problem. It is not in the standard form of basic formulas. What do? We just rationalize this. By rationalizing this, what are you having? Root of 2x plus 5 minus root of 2x plus 3 by difference of the squares, it is 2 dx. By getting it rationalized, so that it is half into root of 2x plus 5 minus integral of root of 2x plus 3. We can easily have the answer. What is the answer? Root x. What is the integral of root x? 2 by 3 x root x, that is whole power 3 by 2 by its derivative 2 minus what is integral of root 2x plus 3. We are now considering this 2x plus 3 as x in our mind. Root x integral is 2 by 3 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 by 2. This 2 will be cancelled, of course. Total it is by 2. It is, what happens? You can get 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 2x plus 5 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Of course, it is 1 by 6 into. Like that. That is, as and when the given expression is not in a standard form, we bring it by some means. Here we have used the rationalization procedure. Integral of 1 by root of 2x plus 3. This is the first degree expression. It could take the shape of 1 by root x. We know that the integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Therefore, it is 2 root 2x plus 3 by its derivative is 2. Hence, the answer is 2x plus 3 plus c. Plus c.